Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So today I want to share with you what I think is the perfect couple when it comes to a protein shake. So I have two things that I'm going to add, just those two. I know normally I'm adding like bananas and berries and all this other stuff, right? But I'm making it simple. I'm not even going to use my Ninja today. I'm just going to stir it up real good, and it's going to be like a quick on-the-go type thing for your shake. So the two things I'm talking about is your Body Fortress, my Body Fortress protein, which this thing is so big. Oh my gosh, it should last us a while in this house. I don't know, but we use a lot. But yeah, I get my 60 grams of protein. That's with 2 scoops. You get 60 grams of protein with that, right? But what's going to really take this to the next level is my Super Reds. So that's where I'm going to get my heart health and all that stuff. Super Reds is the comparison of Super Beets. This is by Live Good. It is awesome. You guys should all know by now that I'm rocking with Live Good so hard, you know, getting all of their, the main things that I use are the greens and the reds for an amazing discount just by, having a membership. Very, very worth it. So, but I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to get I'm going to use my cup, use my little Ninja cup here. I'm only going to use 1 scoop. I think 30 grams of protein would be good for what I'm trying to do right now in this drink. Let me get my water, guys. And you guys can use milk, but I typically use water. You can throw some Greek yogurt in here too. See, look, I'm already starting to make you guys try and add stuff. This is the perfect couple. These two things, you don't need anything else. So I threw my scoop of Body Fortress. You can get Body Fortress at Walmart. You can order Body Fortress from Amazon. I like Body Fortress because it does not have a lot of junk in it. It does not have a lot of weird additives and stuff, and it doesn't have a crazy taste. It's pretty good. So I'm doing this because it's, hold on guys, let me get my spoon. My husband bought these cute little weird spoons. They're so funny shaped, but they're cute. And so you can, look at that powder come out of there. Look at that powder come out of there. You can stir this. Now, of course, you can use your Ninja. I'm just being quick right now. I'm just being super quick, showing you that, things don't have to take a whole bunch of time. Doesn't have to take a whole bunch of time to get your supplement going, right? Let me take a sip of this. Now, let me tell you something. I know that you guys were like, oh, you're going to say it's awesome because you're doing a video on it and because blah, 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 whatever. This has, when you mix it with the vanilla Body Fortress, because again, that doesn't have a disgusting aftertaste, and you put your super reds in here, which is mainly, beetroot powder. It has strawberries. It has all kinds of the healthy things you need for a super red, heart healthy, cardiovascular, all that stuff, right? Check out the Super Red video. You check it out. This has a raspberry twang to it. No after weird taste. I got my coworker hooked on Super Reds. At first he's like, ugh, he's like that after that kick, after like that burp, after the Super Reds of like that beets, he's like, that's something. But then he was like, you know what? He goes, he's gotten used to it, but I need to tell him, dude, mix this with your protein shake. And it gives the protein shake a flavor. It puts any berries or anything you were going to add into your vanilla shake. You could do it with the Super Reds, and you're getting all the heart health benefits from the Super Reds. So, and you guys can't see, but it's not lumpy. It's not lumpy. It's not chalky. Oh, you guys probably can't see it, but you know what I'm trying to say. And you can just drink it down. I used basically 8 ounces of water, 1 scoop of Body Fortress, and 1 scoop of my Super Reds. So let me just show you guys again what matter of fact, I'm just gonna cradle them so you guys can see. My protein my protein thing is so big, so I'm gonna carry it like a little baby so you guys can see what I did as far as the perfect couple, right? You can get the Body Fortress. You can order that from Amazon. I'll put a link for that. And then check out the Live Good opportunity for the Super Reds to be able to save, get better quality for a better price with the Live Good. Also, you can do the same thing. You can do the same thing with the Super Greens from Live Good as well. But we're talking about heart health and cardiovascular health on this video, so we're not going to talk about that right now. But go ahead. That's the perfect couple. Check it out. If you've tried that already, or if you do decide to try it, please put a comment. I want to know what you guys think. Trying to make things, quick and easy because everybody's on the go and trying to hurry. And like I said, you get your benefits in this one drink, 2 ingredients, 2 things, perfect couple. All right, guys, I'm done. I will talk to you guys next time. Be sure to check out the Live Good opportunity. Be sure to check out 7 Easy Steps to Becoming a Fit Mom. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.